Question 1. In the context of Delhi Sultanate rule in the history of India, consider the following pairs, terms. Meaning. 1. Chehlagani. 40 Turkish chiefs. 2. Chaugan. Officer to control prices and regulate merchants. 3. Pebos. A tradition to kiss the Sultan's feet. 4. Shehna. A polo-like sport. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2 and 4 only. Question 2. Consider the following statements. Balban. 1. He appointed people from non-noble families to important posts in the government. 2. He made no exception when it came to administering justice. 3. He excluded non-Turks from positions of power and authority. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question. 3. Consider the following statements about the Turks. 1. They were the palace guards and mercenary soldiers of the Abbasid Empire. 2. Their predominant mode of warfare consisted of rapid advance and retreat along with the ruthless plunder. 3. Dissolution of the Gurjara Pratihara Empire was one of the important reasons for Turkish expansion in India. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question. 4. In the context of medieval history of India, the term Jabul or Zmindwar is related to which among the following? A. The landlords of northwestern India. B. Commander of commanders. C. Tax collected from agricultural lands. D. Neighboring areas to the south of Kabul and Kandahar. Question. 5. Which of the following statements about Alauddin Khilji is incorrect? A. He introduced the branding system, Dag, of the horses. B. The post of a special officer called Mustaq Raj was created to collect land revenue from peasants in Doab area. C. He did not undertake any market reform system to check the prices. D. He maintained a strong and huge standing army to safeguard his empire. Question. 6. Consider the following statement with reference to the Khaljis. 1. Jalaluddin Khalji followed a policy of tolerance and believed that state should be based on the willing support of the governed. 2. Alauddin was the first sultan to pay his soldiers in cash rather than give them a share of booty. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question. 7. With reference to medieval history of India, consider the following statements. 1. Firoz Shah Tughlaq was the first Sultan of Delhi who ordered for the measurement of land. 2. Alauddin Khilji was the first Sultan to impose irrigation tax. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question. 8. With reference to administrative reforms taken during the reign of Tughlaq dynasty, consider the following statements. 1. The Ikta system was made hereditary. 2. Firoz Tughlaq imposed an irrigation tax. 3. Free hospitals and a marriage bureau were established for poor Muslims women. Select the correct answer using codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question. 9. With reference to Muhammad bin Tughlaq, which of following statements are correct? 1. He shifted the capital from Delhi to Devgiri. 2. He established a separate department, Diwani Amir Kohi, to take care of agriculture. Question. 10. Question 10. With reference to the Delhi Sultanate, the term Zwabit referred to A. Treasurer, B. State laws, C. Slave officers, D. Laws made by sultans. Question 11. Consider the following statements about the rule of Kushna. 1. They issued gold coins with a higher degree of metallic purity than those issued by the Guptas. 2. The Indo-Greeks were also the first to issue gold coins in India, and these increased in number under the Kushans. 3. They portrayed a king on the obverse and a deity on the reverse side of a coin. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 12. With respect to the Delhi Sultanate, consider the following statements. 1. The death of Muhammad Ghori resulted in the formation of Delhi Sultanate. 2. The Delhi Sultanate was composed of 5 dynasties of Turkish origin. Which of the above statements are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 13. With reference to the Delhi Sultanate, which of the following statements are correct? About Pharaoh Shah Tughlaq. 1. Iqtidari system was abolished by him. 2. He established Diwan-i Amir Kohi for the development and upgradation of agricultural methods. 3. Bengal became independent from the Delhi Sultanate during his reign. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 2 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 3 only. Question 14. Consider the following foreign travelers who visited India. 1. Ibn Battuta. 2. Domingo Pace. 3. Fanao Nanes. 4. Niccolo Conti. What is the correct chronological order of their visits to India, starting from the earliest time? A. 1-4-3-2. B. 1-4-2-3. C. 4-1-3-2. D. 4-1-2-3. Question 15. With reference to the Delhi Sultanate, Khut, Muqaddam and Patwari were the A. Village functionaries working in close coordination with the Mukti. B. Judicial officials working under the emperor. C. Palace guards. D. Nobles to consulate matters of religion. Question 16. Which of the following are correct regarding the regulations of Alauddin Khalji? 1. Soldiers were paid less but the prices of commodities were monitored and controlled. 2. He increased the prices of horses in the market to make them an exclusive commodity. 3. He appointed Shehnai-Mandi to ensure the implementation of the market reforms. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 17. Consider the following statements in reference to the legal system during Delhi Sultanate. 1. Civil laws were administered based on Muslim laws, Sharia, for Muslims and Hindu laws for Hindus. 2. The sultans had to supplement the Muslim law by framing their own regulations, Zwabit. Which of the statements given above is A? Correct. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.